Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Caterpillar. Now, we're currently trading at 212 on the daily chart, and you can see more or less we've been hanging around this 9-day EMA, and especially after that pullback around a week and a half ago and that quick recovery in the overall markets, we've been consolidating right around this 9-day EMA. And the past four sessions have brought us green days, especially with this first doji on here, a little indecision, didn't quite know what was going to happen there. And it looks like we've been consolidating nicely in here with some three more green days. Now, we've been staying basically in between this 208 and 212 range, and that's currently where we are right now. We're at the top of that range. So we're going to see if we can break out of this and then head to these 215.39s. That's going to be our next resistance, and hopefully the earnings report that we have coming up pre-market Friday will give us a nice push into that 215s. Above the 215.39 area will be the 220s, and then this 221.54 up here, which is more or less where that 50-day moving average is currently trading. Support-wise, this 200-day moving average was a major support for us about a week and a half ago. So again, that's going to be a major support for us in here going forward. That's currently trading at 204.95. Below that, obviously, the big number of 200, but really the 197.64 is going to be a major support for us because that was a big resistance and support for us back in January and February of this year. RSI is currently trading at 49. Stochastics in here at 59. So don't really have to worry about these too much with earnings coming up. Hopefully we can get a nice little push with the earnings catalyst coming up in a couple days, maybe work our way up to those 215s, but we'll have to see again what happens. Like we mentioned, earnings coming up pre-market Friday, which means that Friday's expiration date is going to have all of the IV in it. And the raw IV right now is currently at 66%. That's giving you an expected move of right around 647. The following Friday is an expected move around 858 with a raw IV of around 46. So it looks like we might get a nice IV crush in here after earnings of about 20%. Your IV ranking here in total is right around 25. So IV in here relative to itself, a little bit juiced up, but not a whole lot. And then in your weeklies, you do have a little bit of a call skew in here. Of about let's see, where are we trading at? The 210s are currently trading right at 315, and then the 215s are the 205s are currently trading at 10 or 140, and the 215s are trading right at the 230. So you're going to be looking at a call skew of right around 80-90 cents in here, so skewed a little bit to the call side in here, so play that accordingly. Obviously all your volume and open interest is going to be on the calls as well. Like I said, looking for an IV contraction here of around 20%. Just to reiterate on our chart here, you have this 9-day EMA, which we've basically been hanging around. Be careful for that. That's going to be a little bit of a support slash resistance for in here for us, depending on if we're gapping up or down. Above that, it is going to be this 215s, and then below that, it will be this 200-day moving average. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached the links to our socials in the description, and we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.